If you don't like waiting for slow transactions but still want to trade globally, then XRP is your new best friend. XRP isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's a game changer for traders. First up, cross-border payments. Convert your funds into XRP, shoot them across borders, and switch back to your desired currency. Fast, cost-effective, and no more relying on traditional banks. Next, on-demand liquidity. Ripple's ODL solution uses XRP to provide liquidity without pre-funding accounts. This means lower costs and better efficiency. Then, decentralized exchanges. Use XRP as a trading pair on DEXs to swap between assets without centralized intermediaries. What about automated market makers? AMMs use XRP as a reserve asset, ensuring there's always enough liquidity for your trades. And finally, micropayments. Thanks to XRP's low transaction costs, you can make small purchases or subscriptions easily, paving the way for new business models. So whether it's cross-border payments, trading on DEX, or making micropayments, XRP has got you covered. Unlock liquidity and trade smarter with XRP.